Hi, and welcome to today's Excel tip on inserting hyperlinks. This is a sheet I use to help me plan on gifts I'd want to give my friends during holiday seasons. And what I'd like to do is insert a hyperlink to the item so that whenever I'm ready to buy the item, I'll be able to click on the cell and open the website, a website that contains the item that I want to buy. So the most important item to me right now is Amanda's gift, which is a USB fan. So what I do is I go online, I search for the USB fan, and this one is good, is less than $8. I copy the website URL or the address. I come into Excel, I right click on the USB fan cell, which is cell D7. Then in the pop-up menu, I go to the hyperlink option. And I'll be presented with the insert hyperlink window. In the address bar below, I paste the website address or link for the USB fan, and the cell now becomes a hyperlink cell. Let me do the same for the watch because I've just found a good watch. I copy the URL or address. I come back into Excel. I right click in the watch field and I go to hyperlink. Then in the insert hyperlink window, once again, I paste the web link. And now I have two hyperlinks done. Now if I should one day ever be ready to purchase Amanda's USB fan, I don't have to worry myself and search for the same fan again. I just click on the USB fan cell, which is now hyperlinked. That means it automatically now opens the page in which I pasted the hyperlink for. So here I am back to the fan page. So these two things will always be linked. Now if I should ever want to remove a hyperlink from a cell, I go to that cell in question. I don't click on the cell because it will follow the hyperlink, but rather I'll right click on the cell and then there will be a new remove hyperlink option in the menus, and I click on that, and that will remove the hyperlink from the cell. So I hope you use this today and you have fun of it. Thank you.